Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in Canva. Now simply choose the image you want, then press edit, and as you can see down here it says blur. Now you can blur the whole image like so, it's quite easy. But if you want to, let's say you want to make the Eiffel Tower stand out some more, you can also use a brush. Now we have two different settings here. We have intensivity, which means how effective the blur is. I'm going to show you. This is where it's all high. You can barely see what's behind it. If it's low, I'm going to blur this one right here. You can barely see it's blurred. So it's quite good for different things. I prefer mine on 15. I think it has the nicest blur effect. And now I want to remove this, of course. So I simply take the remove, brush size, make it bigger so we get everything, and remove all the blur. Perfect, now that's gone. So let's say I want to blur everything but the Eiffel Tower here. So I simply choose my brush size. Let's take a 80, yes, like so. And now I simply just blur everything beside that to make sure that this one stands out some more. And as you're gonna see in a second, once I let go of my mouse here, it's gonna blur everything except the Eiffel Tower, and this is fine. Let's also blur this actually. Boom. And as you can see, that is how to blur it. If you want to remove it, of course, you just choose the eraser here and do this. Also, whole image, you can also just press remove blur and it's all removed. Now that is how you blur an image in Canva. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.